Okay, Simvilly. What is Simvilly? Simvilly is Nomis's Sales Performance Management System Plus. It's basically a system that's been produced by us using our experience in sales and marketing and CRM systems. In its earlier version it concentrated on sales performance management, but now has been extended to cover business intelligence and business process management. It's helped many companies improve their forecasting, cut down, and I mean cut down, diminish the amount of administrative burden that the salesperson has to do in producing quotations and proposals, give up-to-the-minute information to management in the way of the variance between targets and actual figures, and watch trends in what's going on out in the sales environment. It's not just a CRM package. For the reason is that most CRM systems concentrate on one thing: efficiency. The ability to put your house in order with regard to detail to do with companies, contacts of your clients, of your prospects, of people that you're trying to make contact with. Also the activities that you have to carry out, the appointments, putting some order into the transactions, whether they be by emails, by letters, by faxes, and the telephone calls that you put into. That's all well and good, having that amount of efficiency and having that efficiency, but that does not necessarily equate to sales success, effectiveness. Effectiveness is to know how much of a pipeline you've got, how good that pipeline is, what are the key opportunities, what issues are coming up that could disturb that environment, and how close are you to making your targets. That's effectiveness. So really, Simvilly is CRM plus. It's CRM plus sales performance management. Oh, absolutely. It covers things like CRM with one difference. We believe that 80% of the people out in the field, if not more, are busy using a product called Microsoft Outlook. And if you see most CRM systems out in the marketplace at this present moment, have either a synchronization or some form of link back to Outlook or Max Exchange Server. The decision has been taken with Simvilly to work directly with Max Exchange Server, not to have anything in between. Therefore, when the user is trying to put in an activity, he sees, or an appointment, he sees the forms of Outlook. If he's sending out emails, he uses the email form from Outlook. So there is no learning curve involved. It is just the natural progression from what he did from using Outlook for his everyday activities, progressing that to sales performance, to managing his pipeline, getting out his quotes and following up. On the user interface, what does that bring? Well, in consideration, Nomis had to think long and hard on that, and the kind of people that are busy using this system, which is in the main is the sales force, they have no time to enter information into systems, or very little time. Therefore, we had to take that into consideration. The first thing you will notice with Simvilly is that there are no menus. Secondly, there is the use of wizards, but in a very subtle way. The salesperson is directed to what he can and cannot do without the famous button in wizards, next, next, next. The things are either on or off. As he answers things, more options are open to the salesperson, and he's directed as to what he can do next. Thirdly, which is important for the IT department, is that this is a web-based system and only one database is being used for everybody. This cuts down the need to have remote users with their databases, which has in the past culminated in databases in the field going out of synchronization compared to the central server. A lot of work has to be done by IT to bring them back into sync with the main server. Having only one database that issue doesn't arise.